In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add discount in Zoho Books. If you want to offer an overall discount on an invoice, or set different discounts per item, Zoho Books gives you a simple, reliable way to control that in your account settings. I'll walk you through exactly where to turn it on, how to choose the option that best fits your workflow, and what the tax timing choice means for your totals. On your Zoho Books dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the small gear icon to open Settings. In the Settings page, under the Setup and Configurations section, select General. This area houses your global preferences and shapes how your sales forms, like invoices and estimates, will behave. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Do you give discounts? This single switch determines whether discount fields appear on your invoices and other sales transactions. You'll see two choices, and your selection here sets the default experience for everyone creating invoices in your organization. Choose at transaction level if you plan to apply one discount to the entire invoice total. This is ideal for straightforward promotions, like 10% off the whole bill, loyalty or goodwill adjustments, or when you want a quick single discount without touching individual line items. With this setting, you enter one amount or a percentage, and it reduces the total in a single step. Keeping things fast and consistent. Choose at line item level if you need flexibility per product or service. This lets you assign different discount rates to specific items on the same invoice. Perfect when certain items are on sale. Others are full price. Or when discounts are tied to particular SKUs. It keeps your pricing transparent and makes item-level reporting and margin analysis more precise. Next, decide whether the discount should be applied before tax or after tax. Selecting before tax reduces the taxable subtotal first, which typically lowers the calculated tax amount. Selecting after tax applies the discount to the tax total, keeping tax unchanged and then reducing the final amount due. Because this affects how your totals are calculated, align the choice with your local tax rules or your accountant's guidance. Once you've made your selections, click Save. Your preferences take effect right away, and the appropriate discount fields will appear automatically on your sales forms based on what you chose. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.